Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about Shopify versus Etsy and which platform is better for you to sell on. So if you want to learn all about the main differences, the pros and cons between Shopify and Etsy, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and talk about these two extremely popular platforms for selling online. So the first thing I want to talk about, what is the main differences between Shopify and Etsy? This is like one of the most common questions I get. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform that lets you build your own online business, while Etsy is a marketplace where you could create an account and you could sell your products and services alongside other Etsy sellers. So like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, these are all marketplaces. You are competing with other people that sell similar products like yourself, versus when you sell on Shopify, you're not competing with no one but yourself. That is the main difference between both of these platforms. Now, let's go over some of the pros of selling on Shopify. I think one of the biggest advantages on Shopify versus Etsy is that they have amazing e-commerce tools. And just to name a few, they have 70 professional themes, so no store is always going to look the same. You could get your own domain if you like. It has full blogging platform. It has 100 payment gateways, automatic taxes, email templates so you could build your email list, analytics, and much more. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So this is one of the most amazing, and that's why I put this one as number one, as one of the pros. Another thing is that it's extremely scalable. Shopify is suitable for any store type, whether you are a beginner, you're a new startup, maybe you already have success with your business, but you want to start it on Shopify. You can grow and scale your business very, very easy. Another nice thing about Shopify is that you could sell any type of product. It's very flexible when it comes to selling, and you don't have to worry about having a restriction of things that you could sell and things that you cannot sell. So that's another very, very positive thing about selling on Shopify. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of the cons, right, of Shopify. So the biggest thing I think is exposure. So it's not a marketplace like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay, where it already has like a large volume of consumers shopping. When you sell on Shopify, you are solely responsible for marketing, building brand awareness, and getting traffic. When you sell on Etsy, you could just, upload a listing today, or upload, let's say you open a new store today, you upload like 5 listings, and you could get lucky and get a sale and you didn't do any marketing. With Shopify, it doesn't work that way. When you build your store, you are responsible to promote it in order to drive traffic back to your store. Another con is the add-ons. So Shopify has amazing app features that you could add to your store for an extra cost, and it helps you customize your store anywhere you like to customize it, any way that you want to. The only thing is that adding these add-ons, it does make your monthly cost go up. So that could be a con for some people. So now let's talk about Etsy pros and cons as well. So for Etsy, one of the pros is the traffic, right? Etsy is already a well-known marketplace. It has customers who trust their brand and they're searching for products to buy. So you really don't need a market, you don't really need to market yourself as much because the platform already has the customers for you. So that's the benefit of selling on a marketplace like Etsy. Another thing is that it's very user-friendly. It's very easy to start an Etsy shop, and you could pretty much have everything set up in one single day. So very, very simple to use. And the cost, Etsy makes it very affordable to start an Etsy shop. The cost is very low. And all you have to pay pretty much is for your listing and your transaction fees. So let's go over some of the Etsy cons. So some of the Etsy cons is that transaction fees, right? You have to pay 20 cents per listing fee. There's a 5% transaction fee on every item you sell through Etsy. And then there's also a standard 3% plus 25-cent payment processing fee. Another con that I really don't care for is that you have to play by their rules, basically. So Etsy has strict rules about what you could sell in its marketplace. You could only sell handmade goods. You could only sell craft supplies and vintage items that are 20 years or older. And you don't have any creative control at all when you sell on Etsy. So your layout is pretty much the same like everyone else's layout. And it's really hard to grow a brand on Etsy. If you want to scale your Etsy business to the next level and become a brand, it's almost impossible to do so on Etsy because you're competing with so many people that sell similar items and because you don't have no control on your store besides putting a logo, putting your About Me story, and that's about it. So just keep that in mind. Both have their pros and cons. So which one's better for you? Well, that decision it depends on you. My opinion is that Shopify is the better choice when you're trying to sell stuff online. It's more scalable, more flexible, and it offers better e-commerce tools compared to Etsy. When you sell on Shopify, you're able to build your email list. You're able to blog in order to drive more traffic to your actual store. You're not competing with other people. Your listing doesn't pop up with other people's listings next to it. And you could grow your brand. You could take it to the next level when you sell on Shopify. Now, if you're starting a business and you want something that already has traffic, and this is your first time ever selling online, and you have no experience with marketing, SEO, growing an email list, having a blog, my opinion would be start with Etsy. Start with Etsy since it's already a marketplace that has a large volume of customers. You could get the experience on Etsy, and once you're comfortable in scaling your business, you could also sell on Shopify. You don't necessarily need to close down your Etsy store to open a Shopify. You could actually have both of them. But if you're looking to scale your business to the next level and really grow a brand that you can make $100,000-$200,000 a year or more, Shopify is the way to go. So this is just my opinion. If you're starting and you are trying to start with something that's less expensive, something that's easier to use, and something that helps you a lot more, right? Etsy will be the marketplace for you. But let me know in the comment section if you have Shopify, if you have both Shopify and Etsy, or if you have used both and which one do you prefer. That way we could all learn from everyone and we could learn from different experiences. So let me know in the comment section, and thank you guys for watching.